sounding protection and stable voltage power supply 220 volt and 15 ampere is used for the machine. Now I would like to introduce the basic structure of the machine. This is the control panel. The push buttons on the panel are power switch, indicator light, 2 hot controls, counters, speed control, engine push button, run push button, stop push button, and emergency stop push button. This is an wider section used for placing lowering ribbon. The right of it is the printing station of the face of printing ribbon. The left of it is the printing station of the back of the printing ribbon. The printing station consists of conveying roller, ceramic analog roller, impression arm, inking fountain, and the printing plate roller. There is a ribbon conveying roller in the middle of the printing station on the printing station, which is used for conveying ribbon. A double-sided adhesive is mounted on the central drum. The adhesive can make the ribbon fixed on the central drum to ensure the ribbon not to be displaced. 2 plates on the top are heating plates used for joining ribbon after printing. The last is rewinding section. Those are the basic structure of this machine. Then I would like to introduce the installation of printer cylinder. A set printer cylinder consists of printer cylinder, main gear, and gear. Various specifications of the main gear can be installed in printing cylinder. Different lengths of labels need different specifications of the printing cylinders. The customers can order the required specification according to the need of the production. The details of the printing specification can refer to the machine instructions. To install printing cylinder is very easy. Insert the main gear into printing cylinder. Fit the set screws with Allen key. Then install gear. Fix the set screws in the gear. Then the installation of printing cylinder is finished. After the installation of printing cylinder is finished, put it on the printing cylinder container and then mount the double-side adhere on the printing cylinder. Cut a double-side adhere tape a little larger than the flexible printing plate and mount it on the printing cylinder. The double-side adhere tape should be drawn to be straight to ensure no bubble produced when mounting double-side adhere. Rip off the protective paper of the double sticky band after mounting it, and then mount the flexible printing plate on the double sticky band. There are several line makers on the printing cylinder used for standard reference for mounting flexible printing plate, which can ensure the flexible plate not being mounted obliquely. The joint of the flexible plate should precisely mount the joint of double sticky band. After mounting the printing plate, the ink fountain can be installed. Firstly, look at the structure of the ink fountain. The main components of the ink fountain are 2 backward plates, a ductile blade, and 4 long screws, 3 short screws, and 2 big circle screws. Before fixing the ink fountain on equipment, first release a bit of 4 long screws and 3 short screws, then equip with printing machine. Press ink fountain hard towards the analog roller to make sure both sides of printing unit's backlit plate completely embedded in the printing machine's ink fountain. The next is to use handle to tighten 2 big circle screws of ink fountain. Ensure the ink fountain is stable enough. Thirdly, tighten gently of 4 long screws and 3 short screws. Attention, which cannot be too tight, otherwise the blade will easily damaged. The ink can be installed after ink fountain fixed. Use the shell loaded with ink on the analog roller carefully. Do not scrape the analog roller. Then press engine push button over the machine so that the ink is uniform. After the ink is